everyone, Miss Robbi here. I just wanted to start out with saying I hope you are all happy and healthy and enjoying your time with your family. I miss you all so much. I have been working on a very exciting project for you guys. I walked around all downtown Juneau looking for some different types of birds for you guys to use your 5 senses to help categorize and learn about. Your 5 senses are smell, sight, hearing, touch, and taste. We probably won't use taste very much during this video, but your other senses you can incorporate to investigate. I hope you all enjoyed the videos as much as I enjoyed making them. If you are looking for more connections and links, I will add them below. I would also suggest downloading the Merlin Bird ID app. It is really fun. I use it quite a bit. They have different types of birds found in the Alaska region. You can go through different regions in the world. They all have pictures, fun facts, different types of bird calls for each bird. It's really helped me to identify the birds in our community, and you can use it to explore the birds of the world. All right, I hope you guys have a great day, and I will talk to you next week. Bye.